This is a time for all the Igbos that in Nigeria, starting from now, make una start doing meeting. Make una start doing meeting, whether on a day Lagos, Sokoto, or anywhere on a day, both in Abuja, make una do meeting. Look at the other time, what happened to Abuja, burn all their shops. Make una start doing meeting. How una go come to this side? Because they said they don't need you. Come to this east, develop it. Give them Biafra? No. Allow them to rule Nigeria? No. Allow them to less? No. Which kind of trouble is this? Ayabudo Nigeria. Ayabu slave na this country. We are not slave. Man, even when Igbo slave. I want to ask the group of Yorubas that do this into Igbos, tell me the profit you will have for burning all these shops. Some of them, now that place where they feed their family. As you burn their shop now, tell me what you want them to do. What kind of a wickedness is this that is happening in this country? The other time, Medugiri, outside people can go burn Igbo market that place. It is happening. Ndibo can burn Gamaife. Ndibo, tell me when are you people have sense? Ndibo can burn Gamaife. Since they join this country together, no peace. And sometimes they will tell you people, go, we don't need you people. They will bomb your shop, butcher all of you, and tomorrow, when I go come, when I get sense, tomorrow when I go that place again, stay. 2 years, 1 year, 5 years, they will tell you people, go, we don't need you people. They will bomb on a shop. Why can't you have sense? Come in your land, build your land, develop your land, and I not agree. Some of you people now are planning to buy 100 plots of land. Every day by day, come to your house, come to your state, develop your state. You refuse. I'm not against for you to go outside and do business. No. But this thing is getting worse every day by day. It's getting worse every day by day. If they tell you people to go, develop your state. On another degree. And I'm not Igbo. I don't know what is happening to Igbos. I don't really know. I don't really know what is happening to Igbos. Igbos, who never can do really, who never can do officially. Tell me, Obuna, you, when they listen to my voice now, let me ask you a question. If now Hausa person now, where come for Igbo land, build market and build houses. Maybe one day Igbo people tell them to go, they don't need them again. They bomb their shop, butcher them. Oga, you no go see Hausa person again build anything in Igbo land. Because they not say if they build them 20 years or 30 years, if they not pursue them, they may pursue and shoot them. So they never like to build anything in that, develop anything in that state, in that Igbo land. They will like to do it on their own, in their own state. But in the Igbo, every day by day, then they pursue you people. Go, we don't need you. Then go butcher the other people, they go butcher. Burn all on our shops. Una no go get sense to find some solution to come to this east, find some places una go develop. If they tell people they don't need, come out from that place. Since how many years to today? If they tell you to leave their state, leave their state. Hungry no go kill you. That God that saved us during the Biafran war, after everything that happened in Igbo land, after they seized all the Igbo people money during the Biafran war, after the Biafran war, hungry no kill them, then still survive. That is saying God will still save you, will still feed you, will still help you, help your business. If they tell you they don't need you, leave their state for them, leave their land for them, come to this east, develop it. And I not agree. I'm not telling you to hurt anybody. No, don't hurt anybody, don't harm anybody. The solution of all this thing that Hausa and Yoruba are doing to Igbos in their place, burning their markets, butchering them, the solution is this. If for you people bring Biafra, or come down to your state, make una have group union that place. Make una do meeting, bring that market for this east. It's better than for you to lose your life, lose all your property. They say they don't need you. Why can't you come out from their state? Come to your land, develop your land. You know go agree. You never make anda amali ife. If you want to know my ife, man, what is it now for no man? Obuni ha anu anda osa na obuni ha anda osa na emanye no brefe. Hano ko ta kpo shop ayoko. Buo mu nna anyi so sai na obuna ndi Igbo na eme that na Igbo na eme nda osa ife anu. Ngwa ga ezokwu ija ofonya osa galo one day na Igbo. Even though ha di alo anything na Igbo. How do you have anything na Igbo? But open I never for that name. A gafu en galo one shop, game one shop na Igbo. How you also na be for those be for. Man on amali you na go na amalo na if you na go na amali ife. Gụnwa ego gị niile anago ndụ ịdụlọ ndụ ha gburu gụ kpụọ shọpụ gị ọkụ ka ego enyi nwetaziri ọkọmọ na ị ga-eji ndụ gụ nata be nna gụ chọọ ebe ị ga-aga lụọ ụlọ phone just develop. This is what Nankali is crying. Tribalism is too much in this country. Tribalism is too much in this country. Every day by day. If they don't need you people, your life is more important than your destiny, than money. Your life is important than your money. So some of you go lose your life and you lose your business. What shall it profit you? Some of you people will lose your life and lose your business. I'm not seeing anything called one Nigeria in this country. Look at what is happening to this election. Peter Obi that won, because of Peter Obi is an Igbo man. They don't want to give Peter Obi that seat because Peter Obi is an Igbo man. I don't understand the kind of tribalism that's going on in this country.